The following Facilities Management Insight was filmed at the NFMT Conference and Expo.
So now that we've talked about the envelope, what is envelope commissioning? ASHRAE is the standard. We're going to talk a little bit about the standard setting committees and associations, but it all starts with ASHRAE. As many of you probably know, ASHRAE for a long time has defined MEP commissioning and whole building commissioning. And they are the basis for pretty much everything that happens with commissioning of a building. And it's defined as a quality-oriented process for essentially achieving what the owner set out for with his program requirements in defining the criteria for the envelope and what the performance of the envelope should be. It's a very similar process to traditional MEP commissioning, so you'll find that a lot of the steps in the process are very similar. It reviews during the design, Tony's going to talk about this in a minute, the ability of the design to control air, thermal, and moisture transport through the walls and roofs of the building, through the envelope. Control water penetration. Now, I might point out, in years past, that second bullet would be on top, and it does sometimes get overlooked, but you want to make sure that you're keeping exterior water out of the building, but as I mentioned earlier, we also have to think about the interior space and how that affects the envelope. During the construction process, which I'll talk about, there's a lot of monitoring and testing and verification of what exactly was designed and how it was constructed to make sure that the performance criteria are actually being met.